Hi, I'm Radhika Sanghani and I am the author of The Girl Who Couldn't Lie. This is my first children's book and it is all about a girl called Priya. And Priya is 12 years old and she lies the whole time. She lies to her parents about everything being fine at school even though she's being bullied. She lies to her friends, her best friends, about things being good at home even though her parents are arguing the whole time. And she's lying to everyone about her crush on Dan Zhang. But one day, Priya puts on a bangle left to her by the one person she could be honest with, who was her grandma. And when Priya puts this bangle on, she finds that suddenly she can't lie anymore. She can't tell a single lie. The bangle just won't let her. So this is the story all about what happens next when Priya's truth-telling spirals out of control, leading her to some very funny moments, but also some moments of real growth where she has to learn how to be honest without hurting the people that she loves. And this is a book that I wrote because essentially I wrote it for my younger self. Priya reminds me of a younger me. I also used to lie all the time to pretend to everyone that everything was perfect when it wasn't. And as an adult, I have gone on a journey to learn the benefits of telling the truth, and I can honestly say that I don't lie anymore. And so I wanted to write a book for children, for younger readers that really encapsulates that and kind of inspires them maybe to go on their own journey to think about truth-telling and honesty and what that looks like for them. One of the things I'm most passionate about is encouraging people to be honest with the people they really love, to kind of share their truths, to be vulnerable, because I think that leads to much stronger connections and just a happier life, really. So yeah, this is my book and that's why I wrote it.